Alright, so now you might want to make a spoon. Here is one I've made already to give you an idea of what it's going to look like. Obviously yours doesn't need to look exactly like this. It's a very, very simple way to draw this. If I go back to the original sketch, you'll see how I started with this. I started with very, very basic ellipse and a long stem that I've curved the base off. This is what you'll need to begin with. You'll need to make sure you measure this accurately so that the width and the height is the right size for your spoon, and that you curve off the edges and delete any connectives. So there's no lines across here, and you delete the connecting line from here to here. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to do. And then once you've done that, we're going to extrude it. So from that, what I did do is I then extruded it. I'll take this back so you can see exactly what we did at that point. Here is the extrusion. So from that, we then extruded it for a very small depth. You can see what we've got there. There we go, there's my extruded spoon. I've made it quite fat to start with, and the reason for that is I'm going to slice into it to give it the curved shape. So although it doesn't really look much like a spoon at the moment, it will do once it's been done. So the next thing I did from there is actually cut away the top of the section of the spoon to make the curve. And to do that, what you would need to do is to use this surface. So we actually draw upon the front plane in this case, so that it's actually drawing on this surface. And I drew this curve and cut through. So this is a cut extrude through. You can see the section there that I've cut through my spoon to give it that particular curve. Okay. Then on to the next one. Did the same thing again and repeated it on the base. So at this stage here, we've got a cut through on the bottom. So again, I've removed a section out of the bottom and done a cut extrude. Once that's done together, you will end up with a spoon that's curved on both sides, and you obviously can add further detail if you want to, like the shape of the handle. Okay, that's how you're going to do it. In the next tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to do it and guide you through it.